Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to set who can call you in the X app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First we have to open up the X app, and here it opens up in the feed where we have our posts from the people that we follow. From here we can swipe to the right, scroll down, tap on settings and support, then tap on settings and privacy. Here in this section, we find privacy and safety. We tap on this, then we tap on direct messages. And here if we scroll down a bit, we can see under the allow audio and video calls from section, 3 options from which we can choose. And we can select either people in your address book, which means that only people that you have the phone number of can call you on the X app. Then we can select people you follow and then verified users as well. So that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.